Hi, my name is David. And I am AI Avatar.
Hi, my name is Fahim, and you are watching Tech Journey 2.0 YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to create a talking avatar by using AI. Follow these steps. You can easily create a talking avatar using AI. This technology can be used for a variety of purposes, including marketing, entertainment, and education. First of all, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more latest and informative videos. So let's jump into the video. Step number 1. Go to the website lexica.art, then type for example cartoon. You will see many results. Choose one of them and click on download button to save it. Step number 2. Go to any website to change background from the avatar and download it. Step number 3. Go to the website lovo.ai and create an account here. In the next window, paste your script and choose your favorite voice artist. Now click on Generate to create an audio file. After completing, download that audio file. Step number 4. Go to the website dd.com. Click on Create a Video, then select your downloaded avatar. Provide your audio file or script, then click on Generate Video. In few minutes your avatar will be ready to talk. That's it, now your avatar is talking. I hope this video will be informative for you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel.